We had been using a ticketing system for many years at Framingham University, and it was really used primarily in the user services or service desk area. We really needed a tool that would help us communicate better with the rest of our teams, as well to share information and tickets with the rest of our team. Prior to using Cherwell, we tended to work within our own silos, and it was cumbersome to make changes. We had to lock everyone out of the system. We had to make changes, hope they didn't fail. There wasn't rollback plans. We decided to take a broader look at IT and how we wanted to use a new tool, find out where we were situated as a university and where we wanted to go. Part of the reason that we chose Cherwell, and probably the #1 reason, is the administration of it. We don't have a full-time systems administrator for our solution. We chose to have Cherwell in a hosted environment, which makes it easy for upgrades and maintenance. We like it because it had no code, because it was easy to upgrade. When we implemented Cherwell, we had far more reliable automation, emails in and out to faculty, staff, and students, so they definitely knew about our services more and were able to have better access. Budgeting and financial considerations were part of the RFP process, so that certainly was part of why we chose Cherwell. We actually deployed in about 3 months, which was really easy. We have more support options for faculty, for classroom technology. We do feasibility studies through Cherwell. We have a very strong, robust education technology department that also uses Cherwell to support all of the faculty using technology in their courseware, in their classroom, in their teaching environment. Having a solution like Cherwell is crucial to the success of anything that happens on campus. Starting in January of this year, we implemented a brand new portal for faculty, staff, and students, and they can do about 70% of their services through our portal. We've seen an increase in portal requests and incidences coming through, which has quickened their resolve time, because through the portal, most of the requests automatically get sent to the default team that's working on them, and there's no middleman that has to determine where they should be going. With our implementation of knowledge on our portal, we are hoping that our community will be able to search for and resolve their incidences or any of their requests sooner and on their own without calling the desk and getting our help. I love that I can change it, I can build upon it, we can have service optimization meetings to decide where we want to go, and I know our tool will take us there.